morning, everyone. And I bet you guys may not be watching this first thing in the morning, but it is first thing in the morning for me. In fact, I am drinking my coffee, and I have to tell you that it tastes wonderful. I thought I would do this video because a lot of you guys have hit me up to show you guys some beauty products, and I have to tell you, I'm kind of a creature of habit, but since this whole COVID thing and quarantine and shelter in place, whatever you want to call it, I've kind of ventured out and I have been trying some new products, and I thought that I would share with you what I thought, because I have been using these for over a month now, and I just thought, you know, I love watching these videos because I do watch other YouTubers that I do trust their opinions, and I have purchased things that other YouTubers have shared that they have liked, and it's been a huge success for me, and I like the products. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to share this with you guys because I'm not being sponsored by any way. This is all free will stuff that I'm sharing with you guys. I just have a quick, honestly, like 5 or 6 things to share with you guys. It is summer and it is hot, and I have been enjoying my sort of beauty products, and I just thought that I would share with you guys what has been a hit for me lately. Okay, so I'm a woman in my 40s. Yes, I am. I am 44 years old. If you don't know me, I'm Heidi. I just turned 44 in March, and I got married in March. I have 3 grown sons from a previous marriage, and I have recently moved to West Virginia, and I have to tell you that the water here is different, the climate here is different. I'm originally from here, but I spent 24 years in Memphis, Tennessee, and this is a game changer with makeup and lotions and all kinds of things because of the change. And I'm getting older and I have drier skin. I'm noticing a few wrinkles coming up, some creases, and I'm not exactly real thrilled about it, but honestly, I'm kind of a creature of habit, really. You know, whenever it comes to beauty products, if it works for me, I'll continue to buy over and over and over again, and I never change up. I'm happy as long as I can get it. And but when I moved here, I've had to make some changes on what I use and how it responds to my skin and the kind of benefits that I get from it. Anyways, I want to share with you guys, before I keep rambling on and on and on, what I am using. So a lot of you guys have been asking me about my smile. Okay, these teeth were not born this way. My loving, wonderful parents paid for braces many, many moons ago. And so I went through a lot of pain to get this smile. Okay, so I'm going to take care of it. So I floss 2 times a day. I use Listerine mouthwash, and I like the strong stuff. I don't like the sissified mouthwash. I use the strong stuff. And the one way that I keep my smile nice and white as possible, because I am a coffee drinker, y'all. I am a religious coffee drinker, is the Crest 3D toothpaste. I am a huge fan. When I go to Sam's, I buy this in bulk. I find that I get more for my money that way. This last time, because of the situation that we're all in, I did buy a 2-pack. I think they came from Ollie's, if I'm not mistaken, but the Crest 3D has certainly been the best, and I use the Oral-B spin brush, and I feel like I get a very good, like I went to the dentist kind of clean on my teeth, and I love that. I like that feeling of feeling like I really got it good, you know, in there. So, but the Crest 3D, I just thought I would share for those of you that continually ask. I did share in a vlog recently, but if you missed it, I used the Crest 3D toothpaste. I highly recommend it. I think it really does make a difference on your teeth. At least it does on mine. Okay, I'm going to take a sip of coffee, guys. Yummy to the last drop. Okay, I've got some oil of olay products to share with you guys because I have been using some new products and trying to come up with a new skin routine for myself. And I found this at Ollie's, and I wanted to try it a while back, but it was kind of very pricey, and I didn't really want to spend the money for it. But I will tell you that I use this once to twice a week, and I really like it. It is the Pro X, and I'm going to show you guys the, see if it shows up there. There we go. The Pro X, and you basically put it on this spinner machine thing. It has two kinds of modes. It has a slower mode, that's a slower, and then a faster. I use the faster. I'm very prone to get very dry skin up in here around my nose. I don't know if it's because I'm in my 40s or if because I've changed where I've lived, but I use this once or twice a week because I really do find this is extreme. For my skin, maybe not for yours, but for mine. And to use this every single day, I think it would tear my skin all up. But I can tell you that my husband even has noticed that I have been using this. The day after I have used this, like the night that I take my bath, and then I use it all over my face, and I rinse it real good, and then I moisturize, and I go to bed, and the next morning he touches my face and he says, "You've used that thing, haven't you?" Because this has honestly made my skin baby soft. Like baby soft. It is wonderful. I love the way my skin has felt. I just used this last night, by the way. I have no dry skin buildup whatsoever through here. I love this thing. I personally think if I went back, I would probably pay the mega price that I could have paid for this because it is worth it to me. I'm just saying. I love it. But I want to show you guys something. Okay, so this little machine comes with this cream, okay? This here stuff that you use. Now, I watched another YouTuber, and I just want to share with you guys. This is Olay Scrubs, okay? This is a pore perfecting vitamin C kind of stuff that you use on, I know the glare is probably really bad, and I apologize for that. There we go. You can put this with this, and I think you still get the same results. I'm just saying. Probably for less money. I really do like this. I bought this because I found this on clearance as well and thought, you know what, I'm going to try this. And this with this works just as good as this little tiny thing. And I don't know if this comes in a bigger thing, but this just came with it as a kit. So I'm just letting you know, guys, that I feel like for my skin, I'm getting the same benefit even when I use this product here. Okay? And they have it all at Walmart. I looked. It's wonderful. Now, in the morning time, you guys know I go to the gym a lot. I wake up, I feel like I need a refreshing, even though my skin is not dirty, I feel like I need a skin refreshing, and I'm not a person to use a lot of washcloth because the laundry soap that's in washcloths actually irritates my face. So I found these olay, let's see if this will show up here with the glare, olay cleansing cloths. These are daily facials. I have shared this in a video vlog that I did. I'm not going to elaborate on them. Basically, they're like little sheets. You get them wet. I use cold water in the morning, and I just wash my face and my neck real good, and it just, I don't know, it just kind of rejuvenates my skin in the morning, and I love the way I feel after I use these olay daily facials. It's 5-in-1, it says. It says it has nourishing cream. I find that it doesn't only moisturize my skin, but it kind of tightens my skin a little bit when I used it. And I love these. This is my second box. I'm still working on my first, but because this was pretty packaged and you could see what it looked like in the store, I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys. Okay, let's talk hair. I have been telling Ronnie please let me go get my hair cut, because you see how long this is? If I pull this down straight, it's to my waist, and it is long. And if I'm going somewhere, I usually always use my curling wand a little bit around the edges, you know, just to kind of blend it a little bit more. I do put highlights in my hair, as you can see here, and then I color the gray through here, which you might be able to see some gray, I don't know. But anyways, and I'm not ashamed of that. It doesn't bother me. When my gray shows, you know what? I'm a grandmother, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a mama of 3. My oldest is 25 years old, so I'm gonna have some gray hair. I've been through a lot. But I'm gonna share with you guys this. If you go to the beach, you go to the pool, or if you are a sun girl, you like to be out in the sun a lot, it will do damage to the hair. This is a sun care. This is put out by Ion. I think that's the way Sally's Beauty Supply says it. It's Ion, I-O-N. This is a miracle spray. I'm going to show you guys what the bottle looks like. Hopefully you guys can see. Can you see that? It's made by Ion. And basically, you put this in your hair after you've gone swimming. You just spritz it in your hair, and I just take a forked comb and work it through. I'm going to tell you guys a little secret. This stuff smells amazing, like amazing. I just love the smell of it alone. And I didn't even go to the pool today, and honestly, I just spritz my hair and just comb it out flat and go. And my hair smells fantastic. This smells so good. I could smell it all day. But anyways, it is the Sun Care. It is the Miracle Spray, and it's put out by Ion, and I purchased it from Sally's Beauty Supply. Just putting it out there for you guys. Not being sponsored. Okay. My son is quite the makeup artist. If you guys don't know, he did my makeup for my wedding day. I'll insert a picture here. He did a fabulous job. You know, when you are getting married, you think in your head all the worries, right? My makeup gonna be perfect? Is my hair gonna be perfect? Is my dress gonna fit? Is my shoes gonna be all right? You know, all those things. And so Lucas, if you're watching this, thank you for making my day so special by not only being here and playing the piano in my wedding, but by doing your mama's makeup, because honestly, I was so happy with the way that it all came together and the way that I looked. And one thing that I stressed to him was my eyebrows. I said, son, I do not want, please don't give me those big willy worm painted eyebrows. I just want as natural as possible. And he came with the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to share with you how this works. This is amazing. Okay, I really feel like as you get older, your eyebrows thin, they get less dark, they get lighter. Eyebrows is what really distinguishes the face, and it can make you wake your face up and make you look younger. It just does. That's my opinion. You know, you are entitled to yours, but that's my opinion. I'm going to show you guys how this works. So you pull the cap off here and you roll this up. Can you guys see that little pointy thing right there? There it is. See that right there? That is the eyebrow pencil. Okay. You put that on your eyebrows, and I'm going to tell you guys the truth. I don't use much. I go dab, dab, and that's it. Dab, dab, that's it. I don't have much eyebrows to begin with. I never have to pluck my eyebrows because there's nothing there. But this just enhances them, and I think it makes me look a little bit better. After you put that on, then you have this end. Okay? You see this? It's a little brush. And you take it and you just swipe your brows and just pull the pigmentation, if you will, of the pencil throughout your brow. And what a game changer. This is amazing, okay? And I just want to tell you guys another little secret. This is cheap. It is cheap, but it works. But this is what the pencil, let's see. It's e.l.f. brand. Is it? Hopefully it's coming out okay. It's e.l.f. brand. If I can find these products online, I will link all of them. You have my word, all of them, down below if you are interested, because all these things that I am sharing with you, I honestly use on a day or weekly. I've been using these for a while. In fact, I've been using this eyebrow pencil since I got married, which was March 14th, 2020. So you guys know I've been using this for a long time. Okay, I have one more product that I want to share with you guys. I'm going to tell you guys, I used to be cut and dry when it came to makeup. I got up, I washed my face, I put a little bit of foundation on, worked it in, and I went. I had 3 kids, I didn't care. I just wanted to be able to get out the door, if you know what I'm talking about. But, you know, I've seen a lot. You start watching YouTube makeup tutorials and you get to thinking, I wonder if that stuff actually works. That's pretty interesting, right? So I used to think primer, that's so dumb, you know, that's just where they want you to spend more money. And then finishing spray too, oh yeah, we need that, but I don't laugh any longer. It really is a thing, and it really does make a difference. This is the Wet n Wild Natural Finish. Now, I shared this in a video vlog, and I said that I would let you know what I thought about this finishing spray. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. There you go. This is less than $6. This will last me 4 or 5 months. Honestly, I go spritz, spritz, and I'm good to go. My makeup stays on. It lasts for a really long time. It doesn't feel greasy or sticky. I have actually used some setting sprays that I can actually feel like I sprayed my face with hairspray, if you will, to set everything. But this actually is really awesome. I love the way it works, so I highly recommend it. Anyways, that is all the products that I have to share with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Ronnie and I are doing well, and yeah, so I'm very proud of myself. 3 times a week I have been uploading videos, Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. I don't have a set time of when they come out, but I always make sure they come out on Monday, Wednesdays, or Fridays, because I am getting back in the groove of things, and I'm loving the feedback. I love doing YouTube, and I'm just very blessed that I have a husband that is supporting me doing YouTube, and it just means a whole lot to me, because I love you all, and I love doing this. So enough of that. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that like button if you enjoy seeing my favorites, and I will try to do one of these every month, but this one's going to be my beauty favorites for the month of July. Thanks so much for watching. God bless, guys. Bye.